slowly when it's not facing you.
Yeah, okay, hold on. Hello.
Hi.
Put your head down, Adam.
Lower, lower.
Dad,
Stop.
Get low, get low, get low.
Get down.
Good evening.
Okay, that's good, very good.
I'm Kim. I'm gonna be your server for this evening. Welcome to Buca di Beppo. I don't know if anyone's ever been here before, or if this is the first time for everyone. First time? Okay, well this is the Godfather table, so this is the special big table for everyone. Basically how everything works here is it's a family style menu. Everything that we serve is in big portions. Everything that we serve is meant to be shared with the